Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomidegraphix. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create trendy name design using AI. As you can see with these images, you can use it as your social media profile picture or post it to convey message with your name on your social media account. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. The first thing, you go to your phone, you type Bing image creator on your Google Chrome. When you type Bing image creator, allow it to load. When it loads, it's still loading. Now you click on the first one there. Wow, now we are in. But if this is your first time, you have to register with your email. Now let us type our prompt. Dark and mysterious stone background, that's with a central light that is created from a lit match with a beautiful flame. Then one hand holding the match. Details of the hand are visible, that means the hand must be visible. Then the smoke that emanates from the match is dense and colorful, then transforming into letters that float in the air. Then the letters, now this is where you now put your name, but for this video I'm using Ayomide, so you can put any name you like. Then are made up of smoke in vibrant color, such as, then I choose my color. You can choose any color you like: red, yellow, blue, pink. Then the background of the image is dark, making the colors of the smoke even more prominent. Then you click on create, then it's creating. Wow, that's good. Wow, we have 4 different images, so you have to choose the one that is suitable for us. You click the first one, the one at the angle over there, loading. Wow, look at the name, look at the hand is visible, look at the match. Wow, look at the smoke too, having the color we said there. Wow, that's yellow, blue and pink. Wow, that's good. You can zoom it. Wow, look at it. When you zoom in, you can see the images is good with the name. Let us check this one. AYE. I didn't say AYE. Let us check it. Oh my god. Well, the AI just yeah, get creative. The A is blue, the Y is pink, and the E is yellow. But that's not what we said. So as you can see, let us change it. Let us change the name. Let us use another name. I'll be using what should I use? Okay, let me type it. Let me use Genesis. I'm using Genesis. Yeah, it's also a name. Just use that too. Let us see what do we have. Creating. Yes, wow, this is good. This has only 3. You have only 3. Then check it one by one. Let's just check one of it. Whoa, look at it. This is good. I love this. It's in capital letter. I love this. Just zoom in to check the details. They are cool. The hand is good there. Wow, that's lovely. Let us check another name. Let us use a female name here. I'll be using Angel. I'm using Angel. Yeah, I'm using Angel, capital letter. Click on create. Wow, that is nice. We have 4 different images. I'll go with the one at the top there. I think that's what oh, that's good. Angel. Wow. Let's click on the other one too. Check it. Oh, it's good. Wow, love this. Let's check the other one too. Wow, this is good. This is lovely. Angel is complete. Now the next thing to do now is to download the image. So if you like any image and you want to download it, for example, let me click one of the images there. I'm going to click on this image now. So if you want to download any image you like, the first thing you are going to do when you click on the image, for example this particular image, you click on the 3 dots there, then you click on download. That's how to do that. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the subscription button, then click on it again, then click on all. to get all notifications. Thank you. If you like this video tutorial, kindly click on the subscribe button to get updates on related videos like this. Also give a thumbs up to this video, share this video across your socials, and comment on what you think about this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.